everybody, Shelby here, LuckyVitamin's resident cosmetologist and natural beauty expert. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my colder weather hair care routine. So in the colder months, my hair does tend to see a lot of damage. Just with the wind, the cold, my hair gets really dried out. So if you're one of those people, or if you're just interested in what you should use in the colder months, watch this. I really love Pacifica's products, obviously, but this is especially good for the colder months because it is formulated with the ultra hydrating coconut milk. This stuff smells awesome. It's great for dry, damaged, brittle hair, which that tends to happen to me a lot in the winter time. So this is what I grab in the colder months. Next up, I will on occasion use a mask, a hair mask. This is by DevaCurl and it's their Matcha butter mask. This smells great, but not only does it smell great, it actually works. So this is a product that I will use in my shower. I'll use it instead of my conditioner sometimes. And pretty much what you do is you wash your hair, you rinse out your shampoo, and then you'll put this in your hair, let it sit. I let mine sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it out. No need to condition afterwards, and you'll have the softest, shiniest, great smelling hair. Next up, whether it's cold or not out, I always need a detangling mist to get through my hair, and this is one of my favorites. This is especially great for the colder weather because it is formulated with coconut milk. This smells great, it easily detangles my hair, and it's one of my favorite products to use in the winter and any other time. Next up is a maintenance product that I like to use, and it is Arco. It's their smoothing oil. This is something, if you're a girl who really likes to blow dry their hair every day, I would grab this. It's great for smoothing, it makes your hair super soft, and it also acts as a heat protectant. So in the winter, after I'm done shampooing, and I don't wanna go out with wet hair, because I don't really love blow drying my hair, I'll throw some of this in, and I'll comb it through, and then I'll blow dry and style, and it just leaves your hair so soft and so shiny. So in the winter, I am not a huge fan of washing my hair every day. It strips my hair of all the oils and I get frizzy, it's dry, it's a mess. So in between days when I'm not shampooing, I love a good dry shampoo. And this is by Amika and it's my all-time favorite dry shampoo. The smell of this is wonderful. Normally dry shampoos kind of have a chemically smell, not this guy. This smells great. And this sucks up all the oils that I see in my hair, so people won't be able to tell if you skip a day shampooing with this stuff. And then last but not least, you need a great brush for the winter time. This is by Ecotools, and this is one of my favorite brushes to get through my tangles. It's soft, the bristles are really soft, and it's also vented, which if you don't know, a vented brush is great for blow drying your hair. It helps distribute the airflow so you're not burning your hair. So I highly recommend this brush for the winter time and anytime really. It's a great product. So that's what I like to do to my hair in the colder months. If you like this kind of video and want to see more, subscribe to LuckyVitamin's YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or comments on any of the products I talked about today, leave me a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer them. As always, spread the wellness.